Learn mixing in 1 minute. We have a harsh pad here that is really annoying. Let's check. So how do we control this harshness? I have loaded reaxcomp VST, that is a multi-band compressor from Reaper, and I have heavily compressed 2 bands from higher frequencies. The softness should be high in these bands and attack should be very low. Lowest natural possible, because some multi-band compressor in lower attacks create artificials and non-pleasant distortion. So the second one is reaeq. It is just a high pass, a simple high pass with a little boost. So in solo mode, our pad is like this. And with the effects, as you can hear, it is overcompressed, but in the whole mix, it would be a great quality because resonances and harsh frequencies in high frequencies are compressed and controlled. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.